To multiply with complex numbers, we just need to remember that I squared is equal to negative 1. So in the first example, we're going to distribute 2i times 17 would be 34i, and then we're going to distribute the 2i times the negative 5i, and so that would give us minus 10i squared. But then we're going to recall that I squared is equal to negative 1. So our answer will be 34i minus a negative 10 would turn out to be plus 10. In the next example, 3 minus I times 5 plus 4i, we're going to need to multiply this out term by term. So 3 times 5 would be 15. 3 times 4i would be 12i. Negative I times 5 would be minus 5i. And negative I times 4i would be negative 4i squared. So we can combine our like terms. 12i minus 5i would be 7i. And then we also need to remember that I squared again is negative 1. So we end up with 15 plus 7i minus a negative 4 would be plus 4. So our final answer is 19 plus 7i. In the next example, we have 1 plus 7i quantity squared. So realize that this means we have 1 plus 7i times 1 plus 7i. So doing what we did in the last example, if we FOIL this, 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 7i is 7i. 7i times 1 is 7i. And 7i times 7i is 49i squared. So we have 1 plus, combining like terms, 14i, plus 49 times, again, I squared is negative 1. So we're going to have 1 minus 49, which would be negative 48, plus 14i for our final answer.